The grass may be greener on the other side, but which side? Artificial turf safety surfacing for playgrounds is green all year long, dry summer or cold winter. Here's a playground with artificial turf we installed 4 years ago, still clean and green. It's next to real grass that must be mowed and maintained. We just installed this playground with turf at a church-affiliated childcare. It's already barefoot approved and fall height ready. Let's see how our crews did it, from start to finish. First, the playground goes in. Once the structure is set, our install crew spreads crushed cement and rock. They use a tamper to create the level surface needed for the layered artificial turf.
Yeah, the very nice thing about turf is that it's maintenance free. It's 100% permeable, so you can hose it down. Any household cleaning agents you can use on it. It wouldn't damage it or deteriorate it.
Artificial turf is typically made of nylon or polymer-based synthetic fiber. In most cases, and certainly for playgrounds, we recommend a base layer.
This is what's going to absorb the impact for kids who are playing here.
The shock layer or padding is measured, cut as needed, and joined together to form a smooth surface for the top layer of turf. Large rolls of turf are laid out and inspected here in an adjoining parking lot. It's carried in, then rolled out onto the new playground surface. The turf is cut as needed to make a perfect fit. Not finished yet. The crew pulls and stretches to make it tight and smooth. No wedges, no wrinkles. Seaming tape and turf glue will bond and bind all the surfaces into one.
We call this seam tape, and this is what is going to bond both turfs together. And here we have our glue. We spread the glue on the seam tape, and then we fold it over and make these into a unitary surface.
There's composite board all around the playground border. Our crew uses cutting tools, then turf glue for that perfect fit. The surfacing is secured methodically with screws all around the edges for a forever bond. The bags of infill help hold everything down as it sets. Now, the last step, spread that infill. It works its way into the turf. The granular material in this job is non-toxic and eco-friendly, extending both the life and the evaporative cooling process of the surface, making it cooler, safer, and more playable year-round. This job is finished. Artificial turf safety surfacing from playgroundequipment.com is barefoot tested and approved, clean and green for years to come.